Welcome to Freelance and Business. My name is Cheptiony Mutai. In this video, I'm going to share with you insights that I think it will help save your business in 2021. Stay tuned. Looking for professional video production services? Request a quote on www.techtubestudio.com. The only way online business owners can succeed in 2021 going forward is by getting used to paying taxes. If you have a tax impediment, fix it. That's a responsibility that most online business owners find it hard to accept. Many people thought that online freelance businesses boomed during the COVID-19 pandemic because most people were working from home. Fact is, it was only in some niches that businesses boomed. Otherwise, most of the then booming online businesses went under and no one dares to talk about them because the taxman is involved. So what do I mean when I say many online businesses owned by freelancers went under? This is one of the biggest disruption in the digital workspace and no one has control of. 5 years ago, a freelancer or a business owner operating online could get away with all their earnings without paying any dime to the taxman. There are many reasons why this was possible. Number one, there was no proper laws to govern online businesses. Thus, it was hard to penalize someone for not remitting their taxes for their digital earnings. Number two, there was no local agents to international foreign companies selling their services locally. For your information, a foreign company cannot file returns using their PIN number when selling locally in a given territory. Number three, lack of proper systems in place to trace transactions coming in from Kenya or getting out of the country as a result of a Kenyan making a purchase overseas. In 2021, the story has changed. Banks are now able to process most transactions being made online. Banks have all your details, including your ID, PIN, and active phone number for M-Pesa transactions. If you're trying to carry out business online without putting proper tax measures in place, the taxman will come for you. The taxman can access your transaction statements both for mobile and via the bank. It is important to note that government institutions utilize the lockdown periods to tighten up their online presence. It's now easier to access most government services at the comfort of your home. This is including procurement of services. Also, most governments internationally used the period to enhance partnership with companies like Amazon, Microsoft, Facebook, etc. This way, they are able to earn tax revenues from the sales those companies make in their territory. So what's the way forward? If you did or still do illegitimate business online targeting unsuspicious users, then you need to stop and put yourself together. Fraudulent businesses are now being targeted by security forces in a crackdown to make internet workspace safe. It's therefore important to focus on doing legit business that you can proudly charge tax. Ask yourself, which category does your business fall in? Is it entertainment, travel, arts and design, etc.? Remit relevant taxes from your digital income. Run a business that qualifies to be taxed. This is unless you are operating an NGO or you are offering humanitarian activities. Government institutions love and promote businesses that are tax compliant. When you pay taxes, you support government's vision and they love to do business with you. So which one is easier? If you have had your business collapse in the past, ask yourself, am I remitting taxes? Forget about the political story of your taxes end up in the pockets of the corrupt few. Paying or fixing your tax impediments may be the solution to your collapsing business. On the other hand, do a self-analysis. Paying taxes versus not paying taxes. Which one is easy? In my own analysis, paying taxes is easy. It's better to be honest and declare nil returns than not to do it at all. Note that the analysis here is based on my personal experience doing business online for now close to 10 years. After looking at the amount of information that the taxman can access about my transactions via the bank and mobile money transfer, I saw there was no way to escape unless I declare my taxes and pay. That is it from me. Until next time, take care and start fixing your tax impediments. You will thank me later for this. You can follow me on Twitter at Cheptiony. Thanks for watching. Looking for professional video production services? Request a quote on www.techtubestudio.com.